All right, everyone. Well, you can see here the market is trading the British pound is trading about 97.37. The original position that I was looking to go short on was at 97.34. You can see that the market really didn't go much of anywhere for most of yesterday's session, and for most of today's session, it's been pretty light trading. There hasn't been much of a range at all. In fact, from really the high to low from the European session until about 2 o'clock Eastern time, you've got 138 pip range, but during what's called the normal session hours, you've got actually quite a bit lower. Let me get back into there, which is about 88 pips from high to low. So a fairly narrow range inside of the sweet spot today. Nothing setting up at all on here on the hourly bars. If we go up to the daily, you can see that the market did break down outside of the pennant pattern which is forming. And this is some very important information here. In other words, what will typically happen when the market breaks through resistance is you'll get this retesting process. So we've got to wait and watch the market in this area in particular for a move to the downside. Let's also take a look at the weekly bars here to give us an idea of where we're sitting in terms of prior support and resistance. And you can see that on a weekly basis there's a lot of support in here that was broken. The market is now testing this area here at 97.36. So when you're watching for trades, especially in the London session, you're going to want to see if the market does come up retesting this double top for a move to the downside. Let me give you that level. Again, this is not an autopilot trade by any stretch of the imagination, but a very good setup for tomorrow's session. So if you're watching the market here about 197.93, this is where you're going to look to sell. You're going to want to use a 3-bar reversal. If you're not familiar with what that is, or you want a little bit more education on that, take a look at the quick start videos, and then specifically the checklists. Those checklists are going to show you how to trade the 3-bar reversal, and the quick start videos will run you through step by step how to get that done. Basically what we're looking for here is the market to push through support, come back up to retest, and then head off back to the downside. I think if we do wind up getting a good move, let me zoom back in here, we're looking at the market coming right back down into this support area right here, which is 94.40.